Welcome to Opinion Stage. In this video, I will show you how to easily create a poll that delivers great results. Opinion Stage Poll is a powerful tool used for many purposes, like driving engagement, running competition and giveaway campaigns, getting quick audience insights, and more. We can create a poll by clicking on the Create a New Item button and selecting Poll. There are several ways to begin. We can start from scratch, use AI assistants to quickly generate questions, import questions, or select a ready-made template and adjust it as needed. As our poll will only be a quick one with one question, we will start from scratch. In this case, I created an entertainment-related poll. Creating a simple poll can take just a few seconds, but in this video, we will show all the advanced features that can help make the poll truly stand out. When we enter the editor, we see the layout. On the left side, we can add and organize our questions, the optional cover page, and the closing. In the middle, poll updates appear in real time as we build it. On the right side, we can control settings and design. We can start our poll with a cover page, but we recommend showing the question directly to make it more appealing for the audience. Now, let's look at the questions. Opinion Stage supports multiple choice questions and many other question types. With the plus button, we can add a multiple choice question or choose any other question type, like a lead form, which is useful for lead generation polls. For our example, it is already added here. To make the poll more fun and engaging, we can add images or videos to our answer options. Let's look at an example. Adding a video is very simple. First, we switch the layout to the rectangle image layout. Then we select video as the media type. To add a video, just click here and paste your link. We support videos from Vimeo, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This way, we can easily use content from our favorite platforms. For this poll, we'll use images to make the options more visually appealing and eye-catching. Let's switch to an image layout. We can switch between different image ratios here. Let's choose this one. Let's have a look at how to add an image as an answer option. Click on the Upload Image button here. We can upload our own image or search directly inside the platform for free-to-use images, using the filter. Then choose the image we like. There are many other ways to upload an image as well. In this example, we will upload our own file. We can crop the image to fit our needs or skip cropping if we do not want to change the size. Once all our images are uploaded, let's look at other styles. As for the layout, we are not limited to just one style. We can also choose a rounded image layout or a thumbnail layout, depending on the look and feel we want. In this example, we will stick to the rectangle image layout. Once our answer options are ready, it's time to set up the closing. First, we need to think about how we want our closing to look. We can add an image or video, a title, and a description. We can use these elements to thank users for voting. We can also add a call to action button. This can be helpful if we want to encourage users to take an action after completing the poll. We have full control over how the results are displayed. We can choose whether to show the results to users or keep them hidden. If we decide to show them, we can select whether the most popular option appears at the top. We can also decide whether to display the total number of votes. We can choose to show results to boost excitement and encourage sharing, as users may gather support for their favorite option. Or we can keep the results hidden to avoid influencing votes and ensure more unbiased responses. It's completely up to us. This way, we can tailor the experience exactly the way we want. Now, let's look at the right side. Here we see the Content, Design, and Settings tabs. In the Content tab, we can edit our cover, question, or closing. Since we're editing our closing, we see settings related to it. In the Design tab, we can choose colors, fonts, sizes, and more. This helps us set a theme for our poll. We can browse pre-created themes, use our own themes, or add a new theme with the plus button. In the Settings tab, we can, for example, remove Opinion Stage branding and adjust other global settings. In the Settings tab, we can also make sure that the voting is fair by blocking repeated participation. We can choose whether to block repeat participation based on the browser or both browser and IP. We can also set a blocking period. To prevent bot voting, we can enable reCAPTCHA. What's more, we can connect Opinion Stage with the hundreds of different tools. To do this, we open the Connect tab and either search for the tool we want to link with Opinion Stage or simply scroll through the library. If we want to see a live preview of our item without recording any response, we click here on the preview button. We can go through the poll just like our users will. This allows us to check how the poll looks to them, make sure everything works, and confirm the flow is as we expect. It's a great way to catch any issues or make quick adjustments before sharing the item. Once we are satisfied with our poll, we simply click Publish and start sharing it. To share the item, we click the Share tab and choose how we want to share it with our audience. We can share it with a link, via email, on social media, or embed it on any website. When our item is shared and responses begin to come in, we see them here in the Results section. In this section, we can view a summary of answers to our questions. We can also look at individual user responses and the overall performance of the item. If any help is needed while creating a poll, we encourage everyone to reach out on our live chat. We are always happy to help, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoy creating your items with Opinion Stage.